Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to talk about two very popular tools that many teams and businesses are using. These are Monday.com and Airtable. If you have ever thought about managing your project, your task, or even your company work in a more simple way, then you have probably heard about these two names. But which one is better for you? That's the biggest question. And that is what we are going to explore together in this video. But before I start, just want to say one thing, that make sure to check the description below this video. I always keep useful links and the latest updates there. So if you want most recent information and the discount link, then you can just check that out. Alright, so let's get started with Monday.com. Monday.com is a project management and collaboration tool. What it really does is help you and your team to keep all of your work in one place. So you can create board and you can assign tasks and you can add deadlines and you can track the progress step by step. Monday.com is well known for its very colorful design and easy to use interface. Even beginners can learn it in a quick way. So in the present time, Monday has made the platform faster and also added more automation feature. So that means you can save time by letting Monday handle repeated tasks for you. Now let's move to the Airtable. Airtable is also a very powerful tool, but it works a little bit differently. Think of Airtable like a spreadsheet, but a spreadsheet with superpowers. So you can create database, you can link data together, and you can add images, and also you can add files and even forms. Many people like Airtable because it gives them the flexibility. So if you are working with a lot of information, for example, product list, customer list, and content calendars, Airtable can help you to organize everything in a way that is still very visual and easy to understand. Now, the present time, Airtable has improved the collaboration options and more ready-made templates. So user can get started faster without building everything from scratch. So which one is right for you? Well, Monday.com is a great tool if you want a clear structured way to manage project and task. And it is very friendly for teams that like to see progress in a timeline and Kanban board style. Now on the other hand, Airtable is better if you are someone who like to organize and customize your style and system, like building a database that fits your special needs. Now price is always something important too. Both tools are not the cheapest on the market, but the value they give is strong. Monday offers a different plans depending on how big your team is, while Airtable is also has the flexible plans. Normally, if you only need simple task tracking, Monday might be enough, but if you are managing more complex data, Airtable might give you the more control. So at the end, it really depends on your workflow. Some teams even use both tools together for different parts of their work. My advice is try the free version or the trial version of each and see which one feels better for your work and your style. So this was the video for today on Monday.com and Airtable. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.